Hi families, today we're going to go over two-step word problems. One of the most common misconceptions we see is kids forgetting to cub the problem. Cub means circle the numbers, underline the question, and box key math words. So I'm going to do that for us. Here we go. A third grade class decided to sell boxes of cookies to help raise money for a school trip. Each box has this is a number word which a lot of kids miss. Each box has 2 bags of cookies inside, and each bag holds 14 cookies. If each student needed to sell 4 boxes of cookies, how many cookies did each student need to sell? That's the question. How many cookies did each student need to sell? Well, wait, there's a lot of information in this problem, so I'm going to make a key. I know in my key, I write down information that I know. A K is for know. And information that I need to know, NTK, or need to know. I know that each box has 2 bags of cookies, so I might write B equals 2 bags. I know that each bag holds 14 cookies. I might make the distinction here, bag equals, I know that this is box, I'm gonna need to make that distinction, too many B words. Bag equals 14 cookies. I also know that each student needed to sell 4 boxes of cookies. Okay, so each student equals 4 boxes. And I know that I'm figuring out how many cookies did each student need to sell. Number of cookies each scholar needs to sell. Or whatever works for your scholar. We don't try to spend too much time on our key. We use this as a tool to help us figure it out. For this problem, since there are so many details, the most common strategy we would see is a scholar drawing 1 box of cookies. They know from the information given in the story that 1 box of cookies has 2 bags. I'll draw the 2 bags here. They know from the story that each student needs to sell 4 boxes. They're going to need this piece of information in a bit, but right now they might just draw 1 box. Okay, 2 bags, this is 1 box, 14 cookies in each bag. I'll draw them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. Oh, I can figure that out easily. 14 and 14 is 28. There's 28 cookies in each box. I know that there are 4 boxes. I'll write the equation 28 times 4. I can't figure out this equation very easily, and I don't really have any strategies to help me figure it out. But I do know that this is kind of like repeated addition. I'll do 28 plus 28 plus 28 plus 28. Then I'll think about my multiples of 10 and my ones column to figure out how many cookies in total. 20 and 20 is 40. 8 and 8 is 16. 20 and 20 is 40. 8 and 8 is 16. I have 20, 50. Don't want to forget about that 6. I have 50 here. Don't want to forget about that 6. 50 and 50 is 100. 6 and 6 is 12. My final answer would be 112. Let me look at the multiple choices. A, 28. Nope, that's not right. B, 56. Nope, that doesn't match my picture. C, 112. Yeah, I think that must be it, but let me check all the answer choices to be sure. D, 224. No, that's way too many. The correct answer must be C. Thanks, families.